Today, I'll show you how to record the screen of your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, these devices come with an inbuilt screen recorder when you swipe down to the quick center, and it should be right here, this one right here with the video recorder icon on it. And to record your screen, you simply need to tap on this, and you'll be presented with a window where you can set up the settings for recording your screen. So you can toggle on record device sound, and you can also toggle on record microphone sound, and you can also toggle on show tap effect. And once all that is set up, you can simply tap on start recording, and now your screen is going to be recorded. As you can see, it's currently recording. Now you can continue to do stuff on your screen. As you can see, it's showing taps and everything. You can tap on that to pause your recording or play your recording and continue doing what you need to do, opening the apps you need to open and showing what you're showing on the screen. And once you're done, you can simply tap on the recorder up there once again and tap on stop to stop your voice recording. And now your screen recording is going to be saved. So now, once you go to the gallery app, you should find your recording saved there. Or if you go to the albums folder, you should find the screen recordings folder. Tap on it, and right here you should see the video that you just recorded with all the touches and taps and everything that you are showing on the screen. There you go. So that's basically how to record the screen on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.